What is up, guys, and welcome back to the shop. As you can see, I'm standing behind something pretty special here, and I'm pretty sure you clicked on this video due to the thumbnail and the title. Guys, if you've recently seen on Instagram, we posted a render of a full G80 GTR wide body kit for a G80 M3. Since then, there's been a lot of things on the back end in development to really bring this project to life, and I'm happy to say it's finally going to happen. Behind me, we have a full GTR wide body kit, and we also have the world's first G80 M3 that will be receiving this body kit. We still have a long road ahead of us to bring this full build to life, but this is definitely up our alley, and this is what we do best here. As you can see behind me, we have a full hood, front bumper, fenders, side skirts. We have a whole array of other parts that we're not showing you guys just yet because we don't want to show you guys everything yet. And also, the icing on the cake is that we're going to be building the world's first G80 GTR body kit on a frozen gray individual G80 M3. I just think that's crazy. It's like, who's willing to trim, cut, completely tear apart their individual BMW? That takes commitment, guys, and I'm telling you, with the success of the G82 GTR wide body builds that we've built multiple times here in-house, we know this project's going to be absolutely insane. We have so many things lined up on the back end that's going to contribute to the success of this build that we cannot wait to share with you guys. But for now, it's going to be kept a secret. We cannot wait to see this project come to life. This is going to be one of our most intense, one of our most craziest builds to date. And the best part about this is once this kit is complete and once this build is done, you will be able to purchase this kit for your G80 M3 if you wish to do so. Pricing is already available on our website, so if you guys want to lock in at a special rate, at a special pre-order pricing, definitely reach out to us and we'll take care of you guys. But I think I'm going to end the video here because I don't want to give you guys too much. The official build series is expected to start very soon, so stay tuned to episode 1 build series, building the craziest G80 M3 in the world. With all that being said, I'll catch you guys soon. Stay tuned for the next video. This is going to be absolutely insane.